So today I am going to do an all red makeup look. I just love red color on me. So let's go and start the video. I'm going to prime my face. So let's go. Now I'm going to color correct my under eyes as usual, covering all my dark pigmentations and all. Now I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Just dab it. Don't drag it like this. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. So this is what I look like after doing my color correction. I'm going to apply my foundation. Dab it all over my face. Wow! And now I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. So here I go. Again, don't drag your beauty blender. Just do small little dabs all over your face. All the things I did, just so I can call you mine. So you all can see there is still some redness over my face, like here and here. That's because I haven't applied much of my foundation under my eye, because I'm going to apply a concealer. So I just wanted it to stay like that. So I'm gonna apply my concealer here, 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 here. A little bit of my dark spots. So let's blend this. Yes. I think blending part is the most satisfying part. Actually, blending and eye makeup, I would say. I just love them both. So I'm done with my base. And now, no, wait, I forgot something. So now I'm gonna do my contour. My contour. Where is it? Where is it? A good brush is what you will need. Now I'm gonna take the darkest shade of my contour. First of all, put one of the strokes here and one here. Here. Can you even see it? Yes, you can see it. Here. Here. Doing makeup in summers is like melting ice cream all over yourself. All the things I did, just so I can call you mine. Now I'm going to blend my contour. So I'm finally done with my base. I'm going to apply some of my liquid blush, and then I'm going to set it with my powder. So I'm done with my blush. Now I'm going to use my compact powder to set my makeup. If you have translucent powder, you better use translucent powder. But I don't have translucent powder right now, so Indian jugaad. Just dab the sponge over your under eye. Don't drag your applicator again and again. Done. Duh. Now I'm going to start off with my eye makeup, and let's go. First I'll apply some glitter glue. I'm going to basically make a red liner with glitter, and let's see how it goes. My god, I can't even see where the glue is. Time for glitter. Oh my god. Okay, calm down. So here it is. So this was glitter powder. Now I'm going to take a bigger glitter. Let's go. Here goes the first one. I'll do the whole lower lash. Here is it. I'm going to put the last one in the inner corner. So this is how I look. I did both my eyes, and now I'm going to put a white kajal. I'm going to take brickish red lipstick. Now I'm going to put on some mascara. Not gonna lie, I low-key feel like Maddie from Euphoria. A red Maddie look. So now I'm fully done with my makeup look, and I love it. Yes! Achievement unlocked. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and make sure to like and share this. And make sure to like and share this video as much as possible and show some love. So if you want to see my behind the scene pictures and reels, you can also follow me on Instagram. See you guys in the next video then. Bye.